In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your WooCommerce order number. This can be an essential step in customizing your online store to better fit your brand or to better organize your order tracking system. Let's get started. First, we need to install the right plugin to help us update and manage our order numbers. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Custom Order Numbers for WooCommerce by Taichi Softwares. This is the plugin that will enable us to customize our order numbers. When you see it pop up in the search results, click the Install Now button. Once it's installed, go ahead and hit Activate to get it running on your website. With the plugin installed and activated, it's time to configure the order number settings. For this, we need to navigate to the WooCommerce section of your dashboard. Click on Settings. You should notice a new tab labeled Custom Order Numbers. This appears thanks to our freshly activated plugin. Click on this tab to access the customization features. Now let's set the order number format to something that suits your business needs. You're given a few customization options here. First, consider adding a custom order number prefix. For instance, adding ORD will format your order numbers to resemble ORD 1001, giving them a unique identifier from the start. Next, you have the option to add a custom order number suffix. This works similarly to the prefix, allowing you to append something like PH to further customize your numbering. For example, your orders could appear as ORD 1001 PH. Another useful feature is setting the order number length. This option pads your order numbers with leading zeros, ensuring they're all uniform in length. So, if you set a length that makes them look like 001001, your order numbers will always appear with the same number of digits. You'll also want to set a current order number. Choose a starting number, say 1000, and future orders will increment from there. This is particularly helpful if you're transitioning from another order numbering format and need continuity. There's also an option to reset counter. This feature lets you decide if your order numbers should reset daily, monthly, or yearly, which can be beneficial for tracking purposes or specific business requirements. After tweaking these settings to your satisfaction, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes. This is a crucial step to ensure all your new configurations are applied. Once saved, any new orders placed on your WooCommerce store will follow the custom number format you've set up. By following these steps, you've effectively tailored your WooCommerce order numbers to better suit the needs of your business. Enjoy the improved management and organization that come with this simple customization.